Welcome back. Today we're diving into the best beginner kayaks for 2025. Whether you want something that fits in a closet, a stable fishing platform, or a boat for your first whitewater run, we've got you covered. We'll break down inflatables, foldables, sit-on tops, and river-ready beasts so you can find your perfect match. We'll look at materials, setup, and what makes each kayak unique so you can buy with confidence. Hit like, subscribe, and drop your kayak questions or stories in the comments. Let's get started and find your ideal kayak. And as always, the links of all products in the video are in the description. These links will give you the best prices, so make sure that you use them. First up, let's talk about the INTEX Challenger K1. Your answer if storage space is tight or you're short on room at home. This inflatable kayak is designed for people who want to enjoy paddling without the hassle of bulky gear taking over their garage or apartment. It comes neatly packed in a suitcase-sized box, making it easy to carry and store. Inside you'll find everything you need to get started. The kayak itself, a lightweight paddle, and a manual pump. No need to buy extra accessories or worry about complicated setups. The Challenger is made from tough, puncture-resistant vinyl, so you don't have to stress about bumps or scrapes. It's ideal for calm lakes, gentle rivers, and even slow-moving streams. Basically, anywhere you want a relaxing paddle. Thanks to its I-beam floor and wide side chambers, this kayak is impressively stable on the water. Beginners will feel confident, and even experienced paddlers will appreciate the steady ride, especially when getting in and out. Setup is a breeze, just under 8 minutes from box to water. The Boston valves make inflation and deflation quick and hassle-free, so you'll spend less time prepping and more time paddling. On the water, the Challenger tracks surprisingly well for an inflatable thanks to its removable skeg. This little fin helps you paddle straight, even if you're new to kayaking, and makes steering much easier. The cockpit is comfortable, with enough space for most adults, and the front cargo net is perfect for stashing snacks, sunscreen, or a dry bag, keeping your essentials within arm's reach. The main trade-off? There's a 220-pound weight limit, so you'll want to check your combined weight with gear before heading out. It's best suited for solo paddlers or lighter loads. Because it's so lightweight, wind can push it around more than heavier kayaks. For the best experience, stick to calm, sunny days and sheltered waters where breezes are mild. When it comes to affordability, portability, and ease of use, the Challenger stands out as a fantastic entry-level kayak. It's budget-friendly and fits easily in most car trunks, so spontaneous adventures are always an option. It's perfect for casual paddlers, weekend explorers, or anyone who wants to get on the water without filling up the garage or needing a roof rack. If you're looking for a simple, fun, and accessible way to start kayaking, the INTEX Challenger K1 is your ticket. Let's see what's next. Next up, we have the Oru Kayak Lake, a truly innovative, full-size hard-shell kayak that's redefining what's possible in portable watercraft. At first glance, it looks like any other sleek kayak you'd see gliding across a lake, but there's a twist. This kayak folds down into a box about the size of a briefcase, making it incredibly easy to carry, store, and transport. Imagine walking to the water with your kayak in one hand, or tucking it away in your apartment closet when you're done. Assembly is a breeze. It takes less than 2 minutes to go from box to boat. The Oru uses a custom ultra-durable polypropylene that's rated for an impressive 20,000 folds, so you don't have to worry about wear and tear, even with frequent use. The origami-inspired design is more than just a gimmick. With a few simple straps and buckles, the kayak locks together into a rigid, high-performance vessel that feels solid and secure on the water. Once you're paddling, you'll notice it's faster and tracks straighter than most inflatable kayaks. Thanks to its hard-shell construction, it's also less affected by wind, giving you more control and confidence, even on breezy days. The open cockpit design makes getting in and out a breeze, and there's plenty of room for paddlers of all sizes. It can comfortably hold up to 250 pounds, so you can bring along some gear for your adventure. Where the Oru really shines is storage. No need for a garage or roof rack, just stash it in a closet, under your bed, or in the trunk of your car. It's a dream come true for city dwellers or anyone with limited space. Of course, there are a couple of trade-offs. The Oru is pricier than most inflatables, and you'll want to find a clean, flat surface for assembly to keep the material in top shape. The first time you set it up, it might take a little practice, but don't worry, it gets much easier and faster with each use. Soon, you'll be unfolding and assembling it like a pro. If you're looking for a kayak that combines true portability with real on-water performance, and you're willing to invest a bit more, the Oru Lake is in a league of its own. It's a total game changer for anyone short on space but big on adventure, making spontaneous paddling trips possible even in the heart of the city. For urban explorers, minimalists, or anyone who values convenience without sacrificing quality, this is the kayak to beat. But maybe you're craving something a bit more traditional. Let's take a look at a classic hardshell kayak next. Meet the Pelican Sentinel 100X, a classic sit-on-top kayak built for stability and utility. Its wide, flat hull makes it nearly impossible to tip, perfect for fishing or relaxed paddling. You get rod holders, front and rear storage, and plenty of room for gear. Made from ultra-durable Ram X polyethylene, it shrugs off bumps and scrapes. The adjustable padded seat and molded footrests keep you comfortable for hours. Self-bailing scupper holes mean water drains out, making it virtually unsinkable. The trade-off? You'll get wet, especially in cool weather, and it's slower than sleeker kayaks. It's best for calm lakes, ponds, and bays, not for speed or long distances. If you want a stable, rugged platform for fishing or photography, this is your boat. It's built to last and easy to use even for total beginners. For those who want confidence and utility, the Sentinel 100X delivers. Now let's turn up the excitement for river adventurers. Here comes the whitewater option. Ready for moving water? If you're looking to take your kayaking skills beyond calm lakes and gentle streams, it's time to consider a boat that's built for adventure. Whitewater kayaking can seem intimidating, but with the right gear, you'll be surprised how quickly your confidence grows. The Driftsun Rover 120 is your gateway to whitewater. Designed specifically for paddlers who want to step up from flat water, it's a solid choice for those eager to explore rivers and rapids. Built from reinforced PVC tarpaulin with a drop-stitch floor, it's tough and rigid, like a pro raft. This construction means you get the durability to handle rocks and debris, plus the stiffness you need for responsive handling. The high-pressure floor lets you punch through waves and stay stable in fast currents. You'll notice the difference when you hit your first set of rapids. The kayak won't flex or wobble under pressure. A pronounced rocker helps it ride over waves, and self-bailing ports drain water fast. It's packed with features: an adjustable seat for comfort, an action camera mount to capture your runs, tie-downs for your gear, and a quality paddle included. These thoughtful touches make your time on the water easier and more enjoyable. This isn't for total beginners, it's for those comfortable on flat water, ready for Class 1-2 rapids. If you've mastered basic paddling and want to push your limits, the Rover 120 is a great next step. On calm lakes, it's slower and harder to track, but on rivers, it shines. The design is optimized for moving water, so don't expect it to glide like a touring kayak on flat surfaces. It's a premium inflatable, so expect a higher price and a bit more effort to inflate. But the payoff is a kayak that's portable, easy to store, and ready for adventure whenever you are. If you're itching to try whitewater, the Rover 120 is a safe, confidence-boosting choice. It's forgiving for new river paddlers, yet capable enough to grow with your skills. It's a specialized tool for river adventures designed to help you tackle new challenges and discover new places. For the thrill seeker ready to level up, this is your ride. The Rover 120 is all about building skills and making memories on the water. Let's wrap up with some final advice. Always wear your safety gear, paddle with friends, and respect the river's power. Every trip is a learning experience. Your adventure is just beginning. With the right kayak and a spirit of exploration, the river is yours to discover. There you have it, 4 beginner kayaks, each for a different adventure. From the easygoing INTEX Challenger to the portable Oru Lake, the stable Pelican Sentinel, and the river-ready Driftsun Rover, there's something for everyone. The best kayak is the one that fits your life and your water. Think about storage, transport, and your paddling goals before you buy. Drop your questions or favorite kayaks in the comments. I love hearing from you. Subscribe and stay tuned for more gear deep dives. Now get out there and paddle.